Hey! Recently, the Nigerian Army, through its spokesperson, Major General Onyema Nwachukwu, issued a statement warning IPOB seriously, the indigenous people of Biafra, to stop discouraging Igbo youths from joining the ongoing army recruitment. Like, really? According to the army, IPOB's messages telling youths in the southeast not to join the army are unpatriotic, reckless, and a threat to national unity. Could this be true? Could it be that truly IPOB are the ones telling the Igbo youths not to join the army? I mean, if you want to join the army, you're free to join the army. Why are they pinning it on IPOB? That's by the way. They say IPOB is trying to undermine national cohesion. But here's the question we are all asking. Is IPOB entirely wrong, or is there more to this conversation? Let's not even pretend. Being a soldier in Nigeria, this country that we are, is not beans. Not be my mind. We've all seen the videos of our soldiers stranded in Sambisa, in a no man's land with no hope of returning, crying for help, begging for backup, fighting terrorists here and there with outdated weapons, and sleeping under trees like beggars in the bush.
I've suffered a lot. I'm trying to save my life. I'm only the one in the bush. The remaining soldiers have run, leave me. God help me. God protect my life.
As you can see, this was where the soldiers moved in. Empty hall. Empty hall. One captain just came out from no angle. Call his captain. What was that? Is it captain for follow? Is it Pala here? Is it Pala what? Empty hall. Nothing is inside this hall. He chased all the soldiers out. This is Zamfara. One brigade camp. He came in, chased all the soldiers out, that they should go and sleep outside, where there are reptiles. As you can see now, these are soldiers' load, which he evacuated from the hall. Outside. Left an empty hall. And there are a lot of reptiles in this bush, in this outside. Some people were being stung by scorpion. These are soldiers living like refugees. They are fighting for their father's land. Living like refugees. How do you expect the morale to be high? And this is the accommodation that they are staying. There's only 6 officers in this beach.
So tell me, why should a youth from Newi, Abawa people leave their home to go and die for a country that barely protects or even respects them, providing them with outdated weapons? Now, this brings us to IPOB. Yes, the army calls them a band of terrorists, says they are destroying the economy of the southeast with sit-at-home orders and kidnappings. But let's be real, IPOB didn't just start today. IPOB did not just start this distrust. It started from years of neglect, marginalization, and broken promises. For you watching this right now, if you're a young Igbo man or woman, would you think of joining the Nigerian Army today? Drop your answers in the comment section. Be honest and with no judgment. Is Nigeria truly worth dying for as it stands now?
Many men don't follow. Allah.
It's not easy, I swear.
Many men don't fall, so we just got to go out. If army is ready, if Nigeria is ready to fight them, they should call us back. We'll fight those idiots. But we don't have enough weapon, enough adequate weapon to fight them. So we can't just be wasting our life. We have families.
Your talk is true.
But without weapon, we are not a soldier. Weapon makes us to be a soldier. Let them provide the weapon and we fight the idiot out. But it's not that they will give me this and then they will come with something more than this times 3. Oh boy, I know. I have blood in myself, so blood runs through me. So we just have to go. We are going home. Let us go and do the new year with our family. If the army is ready, let them call us back with the adequate weapon.
The truth is, we need to fix Nigeria, not just by attacking IPOB or defending the army, but by addressing the root causes of this distrust. Our soldiers deserve better. They really, really deserve better. Our youth deserve better, and our country deserves leaders that protect and not just command. Until then, we'll keep asking the hard questions. This is Ebonyi People TV, and I am Faith Kalu.
Good morning, sir. I'm standing here with Sector 2 Commander. The armed helicopter have just come over our head. The instruction I gave them, anything moving, they should engage it because most of my gun trucks are not moving. Like I said earlier, we are with the leading MRAPs and the 3 battalions are fighting and deployed. Nobody is running. But what we have here, I will give you some estimates to guide your good decisions, sir. Boko Haram has fired more than 100 mortar bombs at us. They have fired more than 80 to 100 RPGs at us. In addition to more than 8 to 10 gun throws from every side since yesterday, we have not run, and the soldiers are not misbehaving or disobeying orders. We have casualties. I will come and see you in person on what we need to do, but we are not running. Neither is any soldier misbehaving or running. Sir, if you can look at that, that's one of our MRAP tire that is not run flat, that bullet tore. We have used more than 20 MRAP tires here. That's another one, sir. We have changed, sir, we have changed close to 250 ELOS tires due to the terrain. This is what we are facing in the Timbuktu triangle, sir. But we are not running. We are fighting as a system, and we are doing our best to contain the situation and to achieve your mission, sir. Thank you, sir.
Video everything. Here our troops injured.
Good morning, sir. General Onyema. Sir, the soldiers are not running. The 3 battalions are standing and fighting, though we have casualties. The intelligence assessment concerning the Timbuktu triangle is very wrong, sir. Since yesterday, we have been met by very strong resistance, more than pockets of Boko Haram. This morning, from every flank, not less than 15 gun trucks are facing us. These people have fired more than 100 RPG at us and have fired several mortar at us. And they have fired more than 100 RPGs and so many mortars on us. This is the true situation, sir. I'm here on the ground. This is General Buba here, sir. No any general is running or not leading the men. Sir, look at this soldier. They are not running away. Neither is any of them afraid. We are good to go, but here now these things are working against us. Thank you, sir.